इधर का ही हूँ ना उधर का रहा, सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा, इधर का ही हूँ ना उधर का रहा, सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा, मैं रहा।
Birthday to you.
Durlabh, you want to say something? It's my birthday. Okay, thanks. Guys wants to show something, na? Thank you so much. Hi kids, I'm taking Aruna ma'am का lecture. If you don't know Aruna ma'am से मेरा क्या connection है, मेरे बाकी की videos देख लो. And get to know that. Yeah, you'll get to know that for sure. बहुत अच्छे से. And on top of that, we are planning कि हम मेरे birthday पे क्या करेंगे. But दीक्षा फ़ोन नहीं उठा रही. और वैसे कुछ है भी नहीं मेरे दिमाग में कि हम कुछ करेंगे भी.
We'll decide it later.
We'll decide it later.
After this lecture.
Bye babies. Half of the day. आधा दिन हो गया. Yeah, आधा दिन हो गया birthday को and still no plans.
Now we are deciding here what to wear, where to go, with whom.
Live or not. Anyways. That's what I'm wearing, kids.
I think अलग-अलग compartment
I did this.
अलग-अलग.
No, Diksha did this. Pretty girlfriends. हाँ.
तेरे को क्या चाहिए?
Lemon iced tea.
Okay. Do you want like spicy guava या फिर proper lemon iced tea?
I cannot trust lemon iced tea
Do
के
you want
साथ.
मसाला कोक
Let's.
या काला खट्टा?
काला खट्टा.
मसाला नींबू भी है.
काला खट्टा.
We also have blueberry lemonade. And
Whatever looks pretty, भाई.
fire and ice.
Yeah.
ये क्या गाने बजा रहे हो भैया?
Unexpected collab.
No दारू भाई. Wow. Anything for picture भाई. Fucking struggle.
हम लोग food bloggers के लग रहे हैं.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I hope you guys realize that.
Please do.
जो उसको खाना खिलाते हो उसको क्यूट बोल देती है, ठीक है? खुश मत हो ना तुम. Food taste.
After so struggle. Just struggle से बाद final.
Dude, this is yummy.
Hello.
Just auntie.
I can't come now.
My kids.
Oh. Wait.
I like it. It's white. Do what? YouTube.
YouTube gang.
Bro.
Thank you. Did I spoil it?
Yeah. What? Hey kids, Diksha made me this. Yeah, and I'm looking. See, Diksha. Also, मेरी earring वो है.
गौरांग वाली ना. Cute. बहुत बड़ा white है.
Hey kids, I turned 20 and 20 sounds pretty serious age, unlike me. People expect you to figure out everything. But have I figured out everything? No, I haven't. I haven't figured out a single thing. I haven't figured out my career yet. I haven't figured out any relation of my life, not even with my parents, not with any friend or XYZ. You know what I mean. Basically, I haven't figured out anything. The whole world is like a puzzle in front of my eyes, and I am yet to put my pieces accordingly. But here's the thing, it's okay, it's fine. It's completely fine to not know everything, because aging does not mean it doesn't mean that you need to figure out the world. It means that you need to figure out yourself. It means that you need to figure out who actually are you and how can you be better. This year I have moved to a flat, living on my own, managing my food, my college, my assignments, everything on my own. And it's not a big deal because everybody else, like rest of the world, is doing the same. And if you'll ask me that how am I better, then I'll answer it with I am better because I'm better than myself. I am better than 19 years old of Aparna. And I'm better because every day I'm trying to be better. Too much better word in this video. Anyways, if you're watching this, whoever you are, a girl or a boy, and doesn't matter what's your age right now, if you're 17 or 18 or whatever, I want to tell you that you have whole life to figure out what you want to do as your job, what you want to pursue as your career, or like who you want to be friends with. But the only thing that you need to figure out right now or as soon as possible is yourself. So that's it. And I want to say that I'm really grateful for whatever I have. I have really loving parents, good food to eat, clothes to wear, books to read, and I think that's it. I have really good people around me to support me and love me and remind me that I'm worthy of living. So this video was actually for my kids, to let them know that life is going to be tough sometimes, but know that you have to stand strong, because I did. Okay. And that's it. Happy birthday to me. I'm very happy. Let's go. Happy birthday to me. I'm gonna go and change, clean my room and sleep. Bye bye. Love you.